Hello friends, it's Karla here from Creative Scrapbooker magazine. Today we are making a beautiful floral card with Pink and Main supplies as well as a few other amazing products. So I have goodies from the September 2024 Crafty Courtyard kit, the seasonal floral kit. So here we've got the silver sticky gems and confetti sequin mix, as well as the Fun Basics paper pad, and that is an 8.5 by 5.5 paper pack. Then we have an embossing folder. It's the Quilted folder. Here we have stamps and dies from the seasonal Bouquet stamp and die set. They have really beautiful sentiments as well, and the simple mug die. This is from my own Stash That frame from Pink and Main, and then we've got Ranger ink, we've got Serenity Fair washi tape in this beautiful floral, and we have scrapbook adhesives by 3L, and we've got some zebra pen mild liners. So we're starting out with a piece of the white cardstock in the kit, which I actually hadn't shown you, but it does come with a assortment of white and colored. I'm cutting the Serenity Fair washi tape to fit this card front panel, and I'm applying that to the background of white cardstock. I'm going to run that through the Quilted embossing folder, and then we have this really gorgeous quilted design impressed into that cardstock. Here I've grabbed the Pink and Main frame. It's a scallop frame, and it cuts out two sizes of frames. We're going to use the smaller one. So here I'm using the Zebra mechanical pencil. It's a really nice writing, thin-lined mechanical pencil, and it has a really nice weight to it. I'm just marking off the areas where I want to trim it down so that I can add it to the frame just to fit. I do like having a pencil on hand in case I need to make any marks or lines when I'm scrapbooking or card making. So here I'm just getting the placement right, and then I've got my Scrapbook Adhesives by 3L tape runner. It has the individual little pieces on it, and then I can apply that frame. Now we've got the 6x6 seasonal bouquet stamp set, and I've stamped that with the Ranger archival ink in the black, and that is waterproof as we're going to be watercoloring. And I stamped onto Strathmore Bristol Smooth cardstock. I like using that cardstock to watercolor on. It's great for mixed media, and it's like a smooth watercolor paper. It allows the marker to really move around. So first I use the marker and color in part of the image, maybe around the edge, or the part that I want to be darker, and then I can go in and use the water brush and pull out that color. And I wipe the water brush off in between so that I don't mix up all the colors, and you get a really soft, lovely effect. And I just have pulled colors from the mild liners that I have to match that beautiful Serenity Fair washi tape. So I know that the image, once it's colored, it's going to match the background nicely. And I can just go ahead and color all those floral images in. There are 4 different floral images in this set. They are all beautiful, and they have really nice sentiments with them. And I think florals can be used for so many different things, which is so nice to have them on hand, even if you colored up a few and had them ready to add to some cards when you need them. You can go over your watercolored image once it's dry with the mild liner again and just add some darker shading areas. And you have a chisel tip on one end of these mild liners, which is great for highlighting, and then the smaller bullet tip. And those are what I use for the watercoloring. Now we're using the simple mug die. I've gone ahead and cut out 4 layers, so 3 of the white cardstock from the Pink and Main kit and 1 of the patterned paper from that kit as well. I've got my card base ready and I'm applying the panel that we created with the Serenity Fair washi tape and the Pink and Main frame, and then I'm just laying out all my pieces that I want to apply. I have one of the sentiments here that I've chosen. I'm putting it on a stamp block. I've got the Ranger Tim Holtz Distress Oxide, and this is a pretty purple color which matches with the flowers that are on that washi tape. And I'm going to apply the layered chipboard-like mug dies that we cut out. And then I'm going to use the Scrapbook Adhesives by 3L foam, and because the little circles I've used inside, I'm actually using the outside edges, so you definitely don't want to waste any of that foam tape, and you can just cut it and apply it to whatever pieces you want to pop up. So I'm adding the sentiment, I've added the florals, and then I'm getting out that confetti, rainbow confetti. The Scrapbook Adhesives by 3L has a really great small adhesive dots in the 1/8 inch, and these work great for applying any kind of sequins. So I'm applying those to right around that sentiment area. And then I've grabbed some stickles and I'm going to add a little bit of glittery detail. This is from Ranger as well, and add that to the background of my flower. So there's a look at that beautiful card. I hope that you guys will check out some of these really fun products that I've used today, and I hope this gives you some inspiration. Thank you so much for stopping by, and have a very crafty day. Bye.